Hello, and thank you for inviting me to give this presentation on incorporating HR analytics into our company. Today, I'd like to share 3 ways to use analytics to drive performance. By implementing this new system, these analytics can be used to measure and improve the performance of the organization. This new system will consist of the implementation of alcohol employee assistance programs, employee engagement programs, and workplace flexibility programs. With the implementation of these metrics analytical methods, we may significantly reduce turnover and absenteeism while boosting productivity and engagement within our organization. In the following presentation, I will provide evidence of how organizational success may be attributable to HR analytics. The first issue I would like to address is employee health, wellness, and welfare. Some individuals within our organization of various gender age cohorts have been diagnosed as having alcohol abuse problems. This is just one of many ways employee health affects organizations such as ours. Individuals with alcohol abuse problems have been associated with a significant percent decrease in productivity due to alcohol abuse. By calculating the estimated cost of alcohol abuse using HR analytics, we may see how implementing an alcohol EAP employee assistance program may positively contribute to an increase in employee productivity. Research has shown that EAPs have significantly helped organizations such as ours with losses in productivity due to alcohol abuse problems among employees. Although alcoholism is not the only contributing factor to absenteeism within the organization, it is one of the largest contributing factors to absenteeism, and by addressing it, we may take a proactive approach to limiting the opportunity for production loss due to alcohol abuse. I suggest we employ these metric and analytical methods to identify productivity loss among employees with alcohol abuse problems, so that we may limit the estimated cost of alcohol abuse. Through the 4-step process shown below, by first assessing the individual, organization, and community, we may see how alcohol abuse problems affect each as a whole working unit. Planning and management, how leadership communicates and dedicates resources to addressing alcohol abuse. Implementation, the implementation of the EAP programs and the success that they show in raising productivity among those with alcohol abuse problems. And evaluation, how these programs have bettered the organization and what sort of health benefits and employee welfare benefits they have reaped. Secondly, employee attitudes and engagement with the organization is a problem that our organization is currently facing. By averaging the score of overall engagement of both the top and bottom quartile performers and comparing it to the value of the outcome revenue for units in both the top and bottom quartiles of overall performance, we may obtain a value for the performance difference between the top and bottom quartiles. This value shows us that employees that have better attitudes and are more engaged with the organization are attributable to higher values of outcome revenue. We know employee experience is a part of a few things. These things include job challenge and learning, autonomy, supervisor task support, climate of respect and trust, work-life fit, and economic security. These beneficial experiences lead to higher engagement, job satisfaction, and intent to stay. Highly engaged employees at the work unit level cooperate better, devote extra effort to innovation, and effectively adapt to change. These factors lead to higher customer satisfaction, higher profitability, and increased shareholder value. Effective workplace attributes lead to satisfaction, commitment, and engagement, which leads to applicant quality, employee turnover, absence, service quality, which leads to costs, employee productivity, customer satisfaction, leading to organizational and business unit performance. It is evident that raising overall engagement of the employee with the organization is beneficial to all aspects of the organization. Lastly, another pressing issue our organization faces is an increased rate of absenteeism and turnover as a result of a lack of flexibility in the workplace. A lack of flexibility in the workplace leads to increased rates of absenteeism and turnover. But with the implementation of a workplace flexibility program such as the ones shown below, we are estimated to significantly reduce our organization's absenteeism and overall turnover. These workplace flexibility programs take the form of flexi-time, in which employees vary their start and finish times, part-time or reduced hours, term time working, home working, job sharing, compressed hours, and family leave programs. These workplace flexibility programs attribute to lower rates of absenteeism and turnover due to the following list on the right. As we can see, employer investments in workplace flexibility programs lead to higher rates of communication, training, higher culture, and supervisor support. With these factors in mind, employees achieve greater work and life balance. A greater work and life balance is attributable to reduced stress, burnout, and conflict. Reduced stress, burnout, and conflict leads to improved satisfaction, commitment, and engagement. From the following benefits created by workplace flexibility programs, we may see our organization show better signs of recruiting, which improves staffing quality, less rates of absenteeism, which lead to reduced absenteeism costs, lower turnover, leading to reduced turnover costs, and better work and career behaviors, leading to increased performance and service. Implementing workplace flexibility programs aims to greatly improve the rates of absenteeism and turnover within our organization. By implementing employee assistance programs to better employee attitudes and engagement, and workplace flexibility programs, we would be taking a proactive approach to boosting production within our organization and limiting absenteeism and turnover. The use of HR analytics is extremely beneficial to practices such as ours. All of the information provided was done by credible sources and will be provided in the following slides. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I hope that the evidence provided is enough to sway our organization into pursuing more HR analytical programs and reaping the benefits that they come with. Thank you again, and have a good day.